Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you, you guessed it. We're going to be going on a ride. Hopefully I can beat my time of 106.50. Went out to the track yesterday, picked rocks, did a little maintenance on the bike, just checked over the fluids and stuff. Back tires looking a little sketchy. Nibs are getting pretty tore up on it. That's because of the condition of that track with all the rocks out there. But hopefully I can beat my time. I'll be safe, and let's ride. Okay, just got done riding the first round. Let's check the lap times. First lap 109. The conditions weren't that great, but I did my best. 109, I believe, first lap. We only went 7.3. I think we went under 8 minutes. So anyway, first lap 109.13. 106.03. There's my fast lap, because the last time we went out was 106.50. There's my fast lap on lap 2. Crazy. Lap 3, I think that was a lap I damn near crashed. Not good. Ooh, lap 4, back to 106. I like the consistency. Lap 5, still not bad, but like to be down in the 106s. Another 108, 107. So I was pretty good. I mean, worst lap was 111 when I almost crashed, and best lap was 106. 106.3. So anyway, I'm done riding for the day. I guess the best piece of advice I can give you: if you don't feel comfortable on the bike, get off it. For one, I don't have on my, I have a chest protector under this. It's got elbow pads. It's got a big, huge pad for your back in case you crash. It's even got a chest protector under this. So I feel like I'm riding naked. I don't like riding without all the gear. So that's the best piece of advice. You don't have all the gear, don't ride. I mean, I came all the way here. It's about a 20-minute drive. I figured I'd give it a shot. If I didn't feel comfortable, I'd get off the track. And I'm coming off the track. As you can see, my bike is on the trailer. Your health is more important than riding. Safety first. So I appreciate you guys coming along. I did get my fast lap. I can't believe it. So next time I come out, I got to beat a 106.3. Hope you guys are having a good day. And thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I did pretty good this time. I did my corners pretty good, but like I say, I almost biffed her. So the track is really, it's sketchy with all the grass on it, all the rocks on it, and the mud on all the approaches. Not good. It was real loose, and yeah, crazy times. So I tried to pick up my speed like down that big hill, over that double, down the big hill. So yeah, I must have done something right. So anyway, I appreciate it. Thank you. Please subscribe, help my channel grow, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hope you're doing good. Thank you.